Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Please ignore the messy bun and the t-shirt. I had to run outside in the rain to get what I thought was going to be an important package and just ended up being a whole bunch of junk mail. If you guys want to know what that was all about, I'm going to have a vlog coming out soon that you guys can check out. I don't know if it's going to be before or after this video is published, but keep a lookout and hit the subscribe button so you keep an eye out for it. Today's video is going to be all about how I wash my makeup brushes. I either procrastinate super long or I'm actually on top of it. Tend to be more on the procrastination side. So this is something new I'm trying because sometimes it could take me an hour or more to wash my makeup brushes, which is crazy, I know. So this is something new I'm trying that allows my makeup brushes to be cleaned faster and allows me to not procrastinate as much when it comes to washing them because it takes so long. So I hope you guys enjoy. This works amazingly. So I hope you guys enjoy and make sure to hit the thumbs up button if you enjoy it. So enough of me talking, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so to get this whole process started, you're going to want to get a cup of warm water. Warm water is really key so that way you can make sure that everything is getting nice and clean. Then you're going to want to go in with dish soap. Get a tablespoon of this. I think this is Dawn, but you can really use any dish soap that you have. And then just make sure to stir that in just to make sure that all the soap is off of the tablespoon. Then you're going to want to go in with distilled white vinegar and get a tablespoon of this as well. Once you get that, I'm going to go in and stir it again just to make sure that the solution is all nice and mixed for my brushes. Then I'm going to add my brushes, and as you can see, they are really gross. It normally takes me forever to wash my brushes, so I procrastinate all the time. So I'm going to stick them in the solution and make sure that I mix them around and make enough room for all of the brushes that I have. Obviously I have a lot, so I need to make sure that I have plenty of room to fit all of them. Then once they are all in there, I'm going to wait 20 minutes, and this is nice because then I can go do something else and come back while they get nice and clean. Then I'm going to take them out and rinse them underneath warm water again and make sure that all of the makeup is out of the brushes and that they are nice and clean. A key part is that you want to make sure that you reshape your brushes after rinsing them out, just so they don't lose their shape and that you can continue using them, and put them on a towel or paper towel so that way they can dry afterwards. Another thing that I do is make sure to rub my fingers, my nails, or sometimes use a comb just to make sure that I get inside the bristles and get them nice and clean. And again, you're going to want to make sure that you get in there and get all of the makeup out of the brushes and reshape them as well. Testing to see if this is any better. If it's not, it's fine. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. This really did help speed up the process for me as far as washing my makeup brushes. So if this helped you guys, please hit the like button to let me know. Also, comment down below if you guys have any other recommendations as far as washing brushes. I don't know why it used to take me so long, but if you guys have any recommendations, let me know. Also, let me know if you guys have any future ideas for videos. I'd love to hear your guys' ideas and share that with you guys and be able to put that together and film something that you guys are interested in. Make sure to hit the subscribe button to follow me on this journey and to stay up to date when I post new videos, especially that vlog that I was talking about in the beginning of the video. Also, my social media and my website are linked down below in the description box, so make sure to go check those out so you guys can stay up to date with me in my everyday life and not just here on YouTube. And again, thank you guys so much for checking out this video, and I'll see you guys next time.